Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. A glass of milk with a few cookies is a great way to relax in the evening. In today's video, let's make an easy eggless chocolate chip cookies without any baking soda or baking powder. Let's get started. I have taken 1 cup or 200 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. You can replace with half cup of maida and half cup of wheat flour too. I preferred it this way as all-purpose flour gives a good texture to the cookies. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This is the key ingredient to make it crispy, so don't skip adding this. 100 grams of unsalted cooking butter. It should be at room temperature and soft to handle. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I have taken the normal granular sugar and powdered it in the mixie. Don't add icing sugar as icing sugar contains corn flour. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. These are readily available in the supermarkets. If you are not able to source them, you can also use chopped cooking chocolate instead of this. But do not use the ready-made bars like dairy milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now let's begin. Add the butter to the mixing bowl, and with a little of the butter, I will grease the baking tray. A few drops of butter is enough. Dust it with flour and ensure that the tray is ready. Set the tray aside. Now back to the butter. Whisk it for a few seconds and it will begin to turn fluffy. Only if it is soft, it will be easy to cream it. Add the powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk it for a few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will become creamy and soft. The color of the butter will turn a little pale. Only if we whisk it well, the cookies will turn out light and crispy. Now let's sift the dry flours into it, the maida and the rice flour. Sieving it ensures that there are no lumps and an even texture is got. Sieving it ensures there are no lumps and there is an even texture as it allows the flours to mix well. Mix it slowly and gently. The butter and flour should get mixed well. There is no need to add any milk or water to this. The butter and flour together will make a dough. Now add the chocolate chips and mix gently with your hands. Don't apply force to make the dough. The cookies will turn out hard. Mix and leave it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to handle the dough easily. In the meanwhile, I preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once this is done, remove the dough from the refrigerator and shape them into small cookies. The cookies should be of even size to ensure they get baked uniformly. Ensure there is space between each cookie so they have enough space to spread while baking. Place them on the middle rack of the preheated oven and bake for 16 to 18 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. It's around 10 minutes now. You can see how beautifully they have spread well and are cooking. The aroma of vanilla and chocolate fills the home, giving a wonderful treat to our senses. Baking is sure a therapy to energize our mind. It's done now. I will remove and allow it to cool. It will be soft but will turn hard on cooking. cool it on a wire rack. If you cool it on the baking tray, there will be no air circulation for cooling the bottom of the cookie. It may turn soggy. You can see how well it has turned out. Once they are cooled, store them in an airtight container. For this quantity, I was able to get around 22 medium-sized cookies. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments. If you are watching my video for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell icon to get notified on our new videos. See you all in another useful and interesting video. Bye.